it's heartwarming to see how Darpan has been able to pull it off for so many years. So a big one for Darpan and India Voice Fest and all of you guys who are here.
The question was, are you hiring voices? Do they hire studios anymore? They do it at home.
कृपया मोटर बंद करिए, पानी की टंकी भर गई है ना?
We will all need to learn to coexist. Artificial intelligence, agentic technology is going to be a part of our life.
Srivalli was in part 1 and she was kahe kaura baura ho rahe ho. But in part 2 she became very like Sami, feelings aa rahi hai Sami. So she was always that.
It's not just about having a sexy voice or a deep voice or whatever. It's about being true to your character, the script.
तुम्हें खूब आता है इस लाल और सफेद को घोंट कर मुझे गुलाबी कर जाना.
Pure magic happening at India Voice Fest.
नहीं 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 ये बातें हैं पुरानी. कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी.
So Charles, what has changed?
There was no undo at that time. You do it right and you do it right again, 3 times.
Price yourself as per your years of experience and keep increasing it every year because your voice is worth it.
What personality do you look for when someone approaches a studio?
Down to earth. हवा वाला नहीं चाहिए. दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ, जरा हट के जरा बच के, ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान. पप्पा पप्पा या हा 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 हा.
अंबर, सबसे पहले आपसे शुरुआत करते हैं. बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं कि आपका इंडस्ट्री में जो आना हुआ है उसके लिए हमें एक शख्स का धन्यवाद करना है और उस शख्स का नाम है नसीरुद्दीन शाह. जी हाँ, तो अंबर आप हमें बताइए ये कहानी. हाउ इज मिस्टर नसीरुद्दीन शाह रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर गेटिंग यू इनटू आवर इंडस्ट्री?
Can you hear me? Hi. Adab, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much Darpan for having us here. This is my first appearance in India Voice Fest. And I'm very, very happy and it's heartwarming to see how Darpan has been able to pull it off for so many years and it's becoming bigger, stronger and nicer. So a big one for Darpan and India Voice Fest and all of you guys who are here. So उससे थोड़ा सा नसीर साहब से पहले एक हल्का सा एक रिवाइंड है कि एक्चुअली मैं इंजीनियरिंग नहीं करना चाहता था. माई फादर वॉन्टेड मी टू डू इट. सो वो मुझसे हुई नहीं, मुझे पसंद नहीं आई वो ज़्यादा. सो देन आई टोल्ड माई फादर दैट आई वांट टू फ्लाई एयरक्राफ्ट्स, आई वांट टू बिकम अ पायलट. सो ही सेड यार वो बड़ा महंगा है, 4-5-10 लाख रुपए लग जाते हैं उसमें. वी डोंट हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ मनी. सो देन वो एक गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज हुआ करता था फ्लाइंग का, तो वहाँ पे कुछ स्कॉलरशिप वगैरह मिलती थी. तो मैंने कहा कि अगर मैं अपने आप को कमरे में बंद कर लूँ 3-4 महीने और अच्छे से पढ़ लूँ तो हो सकता है कि कुछ स्कॉलरशिप मिल जाए और फ्लाइंग हो जाए. और स्कॉलरशिप में फिर 1 घंटे की फ्लाइंग के आपको 200 रुपये देने होते थे. तो मैंने पापा से कहा कि 200 रुपये दे देंगे 1 घंटे का फ्लाइंग का. तो उन्होंने कहा हाँ 200 रुपये पर आवर ठीक लग रहा है मेरे को, ये कर लूँगा मैं. So then I shut myself and luckily I got the scholarship and I started flying. फिर प्राइवेट पायलट हो गया, फिर कमर्शियल पायलट के लिए मैं जब जाने लगा तो फिर मैंने वही स्ट्रैटेजी लगाई कि फिर से शायद कोई स्कॉलरशिप किसी गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में मिल जाए. इस बार मिली नहीं. तो फिर देन आई केम टू बॉम्बे एंड आई बिकेम अ कैबिन क्रू फॉर जेट एयरवेज. And when I used to fly, I used to make these announcements on board, on these public announcement boards कि जेट एयरवेज की उड़ान whatever पे आपका स्वागत है. तो हर बार कोई ना कोई पैसेंजर्स में कोई कार्ड दे जाता था, कोई विजिटिंग कार्ड कि आप आइए कुछ वॉइस ओवर करिए. मैंने कहा ये क्या होता है भाई साहब, दे के चले जाते थे. तो मैं भी रख लेता था.
आप लोगों को मिलते हैं ऐसे लोग प्लेन में जो आपको ऐसा कार्ड दे के जाते हैं कि वॉइस ओवर कर लेना हमारे लिए?
सो वो जो उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी है और अक्यूरेंस है वो काफ़ी एवरी 4th और 5th फ्लाइट you will have some director. एक बार परिगी साहब who was heading Radio Mirchi, so he came to the galley area and he said कि क्या किसने करी अनाउंसमेंट, कौन है लड़का बेटा इधर कभी मेरे ऑफिस आइएगा. मैंने कहा आपकी हवेली आऊँगा मैं एक दिन कभी. सो जब एक गिट्टी बन गई वहाँ पे फिर एक बार नसीर साहब थे फ्लाइट पे, सो उन्होंने कहा किसने करी अनाउंसमेंट, मैं फिर पहुंच गया, सामने आ गया उनके, तो उन्होंने कहा कि आप घर आइएगा एक दिन। तो मैं गया वहाँ पे, तो उनके नेबर थे अर्जुन बाली करके, हु वाज मेकिंग एड फिल्म्स, और वंस अपॉन अ फिल्म, शायद उनकी एड फिल्म, दिस इज अबाउट 20 years बैक। सो उन्होंने मेरे को एक डायरेक्टरी दी जिसमें सारे चैनल्स और एड फिल्म्स और सबके नंबर्स थे। तो वहाँ पे उन्होंने मेरे को दे दिया और उन्होंने कहा कि जाओ आप ऑडिशन करो। सो मैंने फिर सारी पीपल इन जेट यूज टू लाइक मी अलॉट, तो मैंने सारी रात की फ्लाइट्स ले ली और सुबह मैं पीसीएफ बैठ के फ़ोन करता था ऑडिशन के लिए, बोलता था, मिल जाती थी, जाता था, 200-300 ऑडिशन करी फॉर अबाउट 6-7 months। देन आई गॉट अ ब्रेक विद सहारा परिवार, उनका एक नया चैनल आ रहा था, सहारा 1, एंड आई बिकेम द वॉइस फॉर देम। सो दिस इज हाउ it kind of started.
Amazing. What a lovely story. Since we're talking of such amazing, fate or twist of fate of how a famous actor spotted you, we have another very interesting story. Smita Malhotra is here with us, one of the most amazing voices in the country, in the industry. I don't know how many of you know, but Smita is also the singer behind the legendary jingle of Pepsi, Ye Dil Mange More. She also has a very, very interesting story. Just like Amber mentioned, a certain actor spotted him. She was called to Bombay, as it was called at that time, by none other than, no less than Prahlad Kakkad. And Smita is also credited with probably being the first voice to record the complete audio version of a movie before it got made. I don't even think that happens anymore, and I don't think it happened anyways. So why don't you take us through that story?
So, so these are two different stories. So I got called to Bombay. One day I'm working for radio station at that time. So I don't want to tell you how long back because then it gives away our ages, Mona. But yeah, it was a long time ago.
No, 15 साल पहले हुआ था और 10 साल से अब इंडस्ट्री में
कल की बात है ये बिल्कुल। तो so I get this call. I'm in a radio station. I get this call. This is Prahlad Kakkad, and I believe you sing. So I said, yeah, I do. I used to do theater at that time. Musicals करती थी मैं. So he said, okay, come down to Bombay. We're recording a jingle with you. So and I called my boyfriend, now my husband, Howard. I said, I got a call from this Prahlad Kakkad. He says, yeah. So my boyfriend at that time used to do a lot of ad films for Prahlad. And he says, yeah, he heard your CD. Come down. So I fly down to Bombay and direct from the airport, Howard takes me to Prahlad's office. And Prahlad looks at me and says, oh, so you're the girlfriend. So I said, he says, yeah, I just thought, he was looking very forlorn without you. So I just called you down. So I said, so what about the jingle? He says, do you sing? I said, you mean you've not heard my CD and you've called me from Delhi? He says, yeah, I just called you like that only. I was like, okay, sir, just hear my CD. Luckily, he liked it. And then I sang Ye Dil Mange Mo. KK had sung and I had done the female Mo, Mo, Mange Mo. So all those parts were done by me and my journey started.
How lovely is that?
And then, of course, I used to work very closely with a director called Pradeep Sarkar. He was my mentor, and he was making a film called Parinita, and I was like his favorite, and of course Mona was also. And so before we did the whole film, we recorded the entire film like a radio play, with every scene enacted out, with even snatches of songs put in by Shantanu, background score. And then we gave that CD to Vidhu Vinod Chopra to hear, and then he approved that let's make this film. And we gave that CD to Sanjay Dutt's Saif Ali Khan to hear what the film is going to sound like. So one more funny thing, I was even doing some snatches of songs, ऐसे बीच में. So Piyu Bole जो गाना है, उसमें शुरू का जो humming है, they kept my humming from the audio board. So yeah.
How lovely. How wonderful would it be to have Smita hum that song and Charles strum up the guitar. Guys, Charles Vaz is here with us, and you should. You have the guitar with you, don't you? You do.
I can even do it without it also, not an issue.
So Charles is here with us, an absolute stalwart of advertising. Charles runs Globe Studios in Mumbai, and one of the most popular studios for advertising. And now that I've told everyone, so there are going to be a lot of people who will come up to you with their voice work. Charles, are you hiring voices?
Today, the question was, are you hiring voices? Do they hire studios anymore? They do it at home.
Yeah,
We are the sufferers.
in fact, I will have a
The home
follow-up.
is-
I will have a follow-up question on that.
I mean-
I think most of us sitting on this panel have our own studios as well now. So how does it affect, what you guys do? We should talk about that
we can, but
after she sings.
Yeah.
And-
Sure.
So let's have Smita.
sure.
Let's have Smita and Charles. Let's go for it.
So I won't hum that. So another funny story. While we were making Kaisi Paheli, the song, which actually is choreographed by my husband, and he won the Filmfare for it also.
Of course.
And so while we were making that, Shantanu, Moitra, me, Danny, we used to work a lot, jam together. And he was telling me, what is that song? So there's an English song. I'm sure everybody knows about it. Kiss me, na 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 da dee da. It's called Kiss to Build a Dream On. I'm forgetting now. So on that, then the song got made, Kaisi Paheli, and of course Sunidhi sang it beautifully. So I'll sing a few lines of that.
Let's go for
if
it. This
that's
is
okay.
pure magic happening at India Voice Fest.
नहीं ये बातें हैं पुरानी कैसी पहेली है ये कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी थामा हारों का इसको किसने आए तो बहता पानी कैसी पहेली है ये कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी ला 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 zoo 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 पीले से इसमें नशा जिसने पिया वो गम में भी हंसा
क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि समय ठहर जाए और हम यूं ही स्मिता को और चार्ल्स को सुनते रहें? वैसे तानिया नाम्बियार हमारे साथ हैं, दिल्ली से हैं, बहुत ही मशहूर वॉइस आर्टिस्ट हैं। इंस्टाग्राम पर बहुत ज़्यादा इनके लाखों फॉलोअर्स हैं और तानिया पिछले कुछ सालों से बहुत कमाल का काम कर रही हैं। इनकी इंस्टाग्राम रील्स आई एम श्योर आप में से कई लोगों ने देखी होंगी, बहुत पसंद की जाती हैं। एंड तानिया की जो आवाज़ है उसमें एक मखमली अंदाज़ है बहुत कमाल का। एंड यू ऑफन से दैट ये जो ऑन होल्ड वॉइस होती है फ़ोन वाली, जो इंटरैक्टिव वॉइस रिस्पॉन्स वाली, दिल्ली में आपको बड़ी इरिटेट करती है, आपको बड़ी फेक लगती हैं, क्योंकि हमने आपकी वो आवाज़ सुनी है, बड़े कमाल की है। सो तानिया कुछ एक छोटा सा कुछ हो जाए आपके अंदाज में, द तानिया नाम्बियार स्टाइल, उनके जो रील्स आते हैं वो बड़े कमाल के होते हैं। लोग जितना उनको सुनना पसंद करते हैं उतना ही देखना भी पसंद करते हैं और बड़े कमाल का होता है। तो प्लीज़ कैन वी हैव समथिंग फ्रॉम यू?
Sure. Before we start, hi Charles, I'm Tanya. If you're hiring, I'm in Delhi, okay? He's introduced my voice anyway. First of all, thank you. This is my first time at India Voice Fest, and I come from Delhi. I'm so excited to be here. My introduction to voice-overs and voices, I was obsessed with voices, radio, and my first introduction was when you would call up the Delhi Water Helpline, Delhi Jal Board. Delhi Jal Board mein आपका स्वागत है, कृपया लाइन पर बने रहिए. And I used to be like, this is so bad, obviously, because people don't realize that when you call up, you're already so irritated. You're calling to complain, and you have this horrible voice on the end. And I used to do reels like, what if it was, happy, like Delhi Jal Board mein aapka swagat hai. And then, of course, we have the iconic कृपया मोटर बंद करिए, पानी की टंकी भर गई है. And I was like, we should be happy कि पानी भर गया है. So let's make it sexy. I would love to hear in the morning a sexy like, कृपया मोटर बंद करिए, पानी की टंकी भर गई है ना? फिर कोई सब खुशी खुशी जाएंगे मोटर बंद करने. इसमें nobody wants to go. You're like, you go. So I was obsessed by hearing these voices, and I would kind of put my own spin on it, and that's really how it started.
लवली तानिया, सो आपके हिसाब से टू बी अ गुड वॉइस आर्टिस्ट, एक अच्छी आवाज़ होने के अलावा व्हाट एल्स डू यू नीड? व्हाट एल्स डू यू ब्रिंग टू द टेबल besides this absolutely fantastic voice that you have?
See, I had many dreams. I can't sell my feet pictures. I don't have nice feet, so I can't do Feet Finder. I don't have the body or face for OnlyFans, so I'm only voice. And I keep saying, people say, I have a very good voice, I have a deep voice. It's not about that. I don't think I grew up and somebody said, you have a great voice. Voice, your vocal cords, like any other muscle, need to be trained and worked on. And it's not about, because the thing is, it's voice acting at the end of it. As voice actors, we bring words to life. When we talk to each other, we are seeing each other's expressions and we're looking at our eyes and our brain is processing that and the voice. But if you remove that and you have to just emote something through your voice, it's 100 times more difficult. So it's about voice acting, learning to bring the words to life. And like how I keep saying on my social media, you gotta say it like you mean it. There's so many things you can say, but how many times, like, if you're having a fight with your husband and he's like, sorry, and you're like, say it properly, na? Sorry doesn't mean anything because you're not saying it like you mean it. So, we need to learn how to bring life to those words and observe, the sounds around us and really kind of give that meaning, and then that's how, a voiceover comes to life.
Beautiful. Thank you, Tanya. Charles, you're an absolute veteran and very kind of you. Thank you. You're so sweet. He's also a musician, very, very passionate about his music. In fact, so passionate, his display picture has Charles with a guitar. So, absolutely.
Not veteran, but we have you, stalwarts, veterans, right in the front row there.
No, absolutely.
Bhimani ji and all these guys.
Of course.
We have bachas in front of you.
नहीं आपके क्षेत्र में, in your area of work.
But he has come to my little niche studio at Cuff Parade all the way. People used to come that time, by the way, to a studio wherever it is. Now, यार बोलो ना, script भेजो, mail करता हूँ.
So if I ask you, you've been
came all the way.
You've been in the industry for such a long time. Globe is such a popular name.
Even your late mother Leela Ghosh used to come to my studio at Cuff Parade.
How lovely.
Yeah, that way.
So Charles, what has changed? What is it that you think
What
can
has
be
changed
better?
is,
Can be better in the industry today?
There was no undo at that time. There was no copy paste. It was tape based system. So that's you do it right and you do it right again, to 3 times.
Lovely. So if an aspiring voice artist or someone who is a newbie or someone who is just getting into the field comes to you, sends you a demo tape, or I don't know if that is still the thing. But what do you look for in a voiceover artist? Since through your career you've worked with hundreds of them.
Hundreds of them.
So we have a lot of people here who are up and coming, budding voice actors. So it would be great to know from an absolute veteran like you, what is it that you look for?
See, voice is basically characters. Everyone is a character. I mean, you don't change your voice. I mean, keep your voice, modulate it, and do it best. Because Harish Bhimani would be like a particular kind of voice. There's another person who would be like a Darpan Mehta or something. That way. Just modulate it and keep it to that. Of course, get your modulations and your throw and all well. I mean, that comes through observing and listening to others and practicing that on your own, looking at the mirror or something, or recording yourself. Today you can do it on the phone also and record yourself.
So besides skill sets of being a voice actor, like mentioning all these things come under that, what personality do you look for when someone comes to you or when someone approaches a studio?
Down to earth. Oh, hawa wala nahi chahiye. Call it up.
It's very important.
Nice, down to earth.
I wanted to hear that from him. Because I know for a fact, being a voice artist myself, I know कि talent के अलावा, आपकी काबिलियत to be a good performer with your voice, उसके अलावा आपका जो व्यक्तित्व है, आपकी personality है, आपका nature, ये सब चीज़ें बहुत मायने रखती हैं. तो I want to hear from you, क्योंकि you're a studio owner, you run a very popular studio in Mumbai.
Globe Studios, yes, which was first at Cuff Parade, that side. Then it was at Mahim for many years. Then it was at Worli, and it's still at Worli and Santa Cruz. And Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz आ गए.
Yes, yes. Since long, both the places. See, the main thing is.
You can take the call.
No, that's okay.
I didn't mean it.
I tried to put it on silent. See,
he's very chill. He's very sweet. So.
What kind of personality? Yes. The moment the voiceover enters the studio and he looks at the time, Acha, I have to leave in 15 minutes. Mera leke jao. Take my take and let me go. I have to go here. I have to go now. In our time, Mr. Bhimani, I mean, the film would be watching and the throw would be made. You'll be looking at the film and I need your voice as per the film requirement. I mean, today if you send it on the phone or internet, I mean, how much you know, it will match that. I mean, there was more quality control.
Earlier, the performance was more organic, was more was more about the craft. Today, it's more about the technique. Today, with technology coming in, is technology taking over?
Technology is definitely taking over. Mm-hmm. I mean, even the things, the traffic, you can't literally travel today. I mean, it's traffic is so much. By the time you reach there, and today all professionals have many jobs. You know, they want, अरे नहीं यार, मैं तो Bandra Santa Cruz के बाहर जाता ही नहीं, टाउन में नहीं जाता है.
Mulani is not talking about you.
अंधेरी में जाता है. अरे मुलानी, Mulanomics.
Those were the days when
his
you would
first
travel.
recordings was in Charles Caffrey, but you didn't come on cycle. You came by bus, I think, or train.
For everyone I think this is great trivia. So Rahul Mulani is also, most people know, he's a bike enthusiast. BMX, he's a BMX stalwart. So for the longest time, he travels to studios on his cycle. How cool is that? He's not the coolest angry young man in the industry for nothing.
Right.
But great, Charles. So thank you. That was good. That was a good insight.
Right.
It's not only about your craft. It is also about your personality, your temperament. You should be grounded. You should be available.
Right. And most of them are, bearing a few. I mean, most of them are. I mean, the voice industry are beautiful people. I mean,
the ones who are not in this room. Everyone here is very chill.
This one was
very, very sweet. And they're all lining up after this session to give you their voice samples.
Oh yes, you can.
अरे मत बोलो ऐसा यार. You can मत बोलो. Record हो रहा है.
It's all experience.
But jokes apart, thank you, Charles.
Okay.
Moving to Amber. Amber, ये जो Amber जिसकी जुबान उर्दू की तरह है, ये कितने कमाल का नाम है. So आपको एक नज़्म हो जाए अंबर की आवाज़ में. ये बड़ी महंगी आवाज़ है. आपने अंबर की आवाज़ को कई सालों से दिन रात टेलीविज़न पर और बहुत कमाल के शोज़ में सुना है. One of the most beautiful voices that we have in the industry, Amber Jafri, and it's an absolute delight to have him render एक नज़्म आपकी आवाज़ में.
सुना देता हूँ आपको.
ये वो वाली देना जो मतलब जैसे आपको पेमेंट मिला है वैसी वाली. वैसी मुलानी जैसी नहीं. When Rajesh was roasting Mulani, he didn't give him his money voice, his money voice.
प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वरना एक्टर बन जाता, एक्टिंग नहीं आती है.
तो मैंने तो पैसे मांगे नहीं, ये क्या मतलब हुआ?
अरे आप तो मोहब्बत से आए हो यार.
छोटी सी जुर्रत करूंगा. कुछ लिखता हूँ आजकल पिछले 1-1.5 साल से. एक छोटी सी आईपी, एक प्रॉपर्टी बनाई है जिसमें कुछ नज़में हैं, कुछ गज़लें हैं जिनको कंपोज किया है in a more world contemporary kind of setup, some types with Berklee School of Music and all of that. तो एक नज़्म मैं सुना देता हूँ आपको कि boys are blue, girls are pink. अब आप टाइटल से समझ चुकेंगे कितना भारी राइटर हूँ मैं. So boys are, लेकिन सुन लीजिएगा, शायद आपको मजा आएगा. कि boys are blue, girls are pink. सुना है कि जब तुम मेरे साथ होती हो तो हर तरह से मुकम्मल होती हो. मुकम्मल माने कंप्लीट. सुना है कि जब तुम मेरे साथ होती हो तो हर तरह से मुकम्मल होती हो। हाँ, तुम ये कहती हो कि मेरा होना ही काफी है, इसमें किसी और मिलावट की जरूरत नहीं। शायद उसी तरह जैसे नीले में कोई रंग मिला दिया जाए तो वो नीला ना रहे। हाय, तुम तो नीली पड़ गई। अब सुनो, जब तुम अपनी लाल पोशाक में मेरे करीब आके हल्के से अपनी पलकें उठा के अपनी हिरनी जैसी आंखों से मुझे ताकते हुए अपने सुर्ख लाल होठों से मेरा नाम लेती हो ना, उफ, मैं तो सफेद पड़ जाता हूं। तुम्हें खूब आता है इस लाल और सफेद को घोंट कर मुझे गुलाबी कर जाना। सो आवर बॉयज ब्लू एंड गर्ल्स आर पिंक।
Absolutely magical, Amber. Thank you, thank you. I'm sure आप में से कई लोग जानते हैं कि स्मिता मल्होत्रा जो हमारे साथ हैं, she is also the Hindi voice of Rashmika Mandanna from the Pushpa movie, and also of Devasena from Bahubali. Two very, very different characters. One is this very, very young, chirpy girl, and the other is a much older character. Do you want to tell us about how you approach that, and if we can also, थोड़ा सा हम लोग और जुर्रत करें और आपको कहें कि एक कोई लाइन या देवसेना की या रश्मिका मंदाना के लिए जो आपने किया है वो हमें बोल कर सुनाएं।
Okay, I'm terrible at remembering lines, but I'll try. So before I tell you, so it was shared earlier. I used to also voice for Katrina and Sunny Leone's films, and my husband used to be very upset because he used to say कि you've taken the मज़ा आउट फॉर मी। मैं कटरीना को देखता हूँ, सनी को देखता हूँ, मेरी बीवी की आवाज़ निकल रही होती है। सो ही वॉज वेरी अपसेट अबाउट इट। सो देवसेना वॉज मोर लाइक दिस वॉरियर प्रिंसेस, तो शी वॉज सो फनी स्टोरी, व्हेन आई केम इन टू ऑडिशन the dubbing director said, she's this princess and whatever, and she's about, how old are you? She was going to tell me the age. She said, how old are you? So on the mic, I said, how old do you want me to be? So she says, okay, she's about 30s. And I said, okay. So there's this one line, अगर इस अहंकार का एक छोटा सा हिस्सा भी आपके युवराज में होता, तो मैं उनके पौरुष पे वारी जाती। लेकिन ऐसे निकम्मों पर हमारे राज्य के कुत्ते भी नहीं, उनसे ब्याह नहीं करेंगे। Something to that effect. I don't know what it was. I'm bad at remembering lines, man. Advertising ने बर्बाद कर दिया actually हमको। एक एक लाइन बोलनी होती है तो उससे याद नहीं रहता। But so Srivalli was in part 1, she was very coy and she was काहे कावरा बावरा हो रहे हो, she was that. But in part 2 she became very like Sami, feelings आ रही हैं Sami. So she was always that. So yeah.
The beauty is when you watch that movie in Hindi, और जब तो आपको एक मोमेंट के लिए भी आपको ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि ये रश्मिका या जो कैरेक्टर स्क्रीन पर है वो नहीं बात कर रहा है या कर रही है. It is amazing. Smita is one of the most amazing voice actors that we have, most versatile. Like you've said that आप 6 साल की, 16 साल की, 60 साल की. I loved that line that you told the director, how old do you want me to be? And I think it's so important for any voice artist to be able to modulate, and there lies the craft. Like Tanya said, शुरुआत में, it's not just about having a sexy voice or a deep voice or whatever. It's about being true to your character, the script. Tanya, Instagram पर आप बहुत regularly, आप एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ कर रहे हो. You talk about the craft. You also perform a lot of ads. You work from a home studio primarily. Tanya, हम शुरू में बात कर रहे थे. A lot of people here either have a home setup or looking at having one. How do you price your work? That's a very contentious topic. I know हर कोई इस बारे में बात नहीं करता. Would you like to talk about it? Lovely. I mean, how should, without getting into figures, how should someone who is getting into the industry, how should one look at, with what perspective should one look at pricing their work?
So this is something that a lot of beginners also ask me, and I started doing these videos because I was like, nobody's, as voice actors, everybody looks at it as very behind the scenes setup. Nobody wanted to come front, and that's when I started doing these reels and giving information out and just helping people in whatever way I can. Pricing is something, because let's be honest, when we started off, all of us started with peanuts. In fact, I think my first set of jobs I did was absolutely free. I just wanted to get some sort of, files in my portfolio, and I was like, yeah, I'll lend my voice, I'll do whatever. So you start off with peanuts, but over the years I've realized that now I try and increase my, figures by 10 to 15% every year. But now there's another new thing that's come in place, that am I pricing too much? Because the client is like, okay, you know what, let it be, I'll go to AI. And then you're like, oh, do I lose out? Especially if because let's be honest, as voice actors, no 2 months look the same. Apart from voice acting, I'm a singer, I'm an MC, I gotta do what I gotta do, I gotta bring the bread, butter, and the jam. So pricing is something that's very tricky. And then of course, sometimes, if a production house or a client approaches me, and I'll be like, this is how much I'll charge. And they'll instantly say yes. And I'm like, oh shit. Did I charge less, or I should have said a higher figure? What did I say? And then, but over the years, I think you have to realize your craft, how many years of experience. That's how I calculated. Now I've been doing it for over a decade. So I every year I try and increase it by 15%. And yeah, keep a track of what's going on in the market, because at the end of the day, I know freshers especially, they're so desperate to get into this industry. Don't undersell yourself. Never. And now with AI taking over, people are coming back. I have so many clients coming back to me saying, you know what, we tried, it's not sounding nice with AI, can you please do it? So remember your craft, remember your skill, price yourself, keep in mind what's happening in the market, and price yourself as per your years of experience, and keep increasing it every year, because your voice is worth it.
Wonderful. I liked how you mentioned that in spite of AI, people are coming back. We heard that even earlier today. Is that what your experience is, Amber? आपको AI को लेकर, how are you handling it as a voice artist?
पता नहीं, मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा इसका फ़र्क लगता नहीं. I think जो इमोशंस हैं, जो ह्यूमन इमोशंस हैं, उनको अभी भी वो कैप्चर नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. या इट्स काइंड ऑफ वेरी प्रेवलेंट इन सोशल मीडिया. आप अगर इंस्टाग्राम रील्स वगैरह देखें, बट इफ यू कम टू द मूवीज और द प्रोमोज दैट यू डू, द एड फिल्म्स, इट्स द एक्सप्रेशन इवेंचुअली दैट मैटर्स, व्हिच आई डोंट थिंक दे हैव बीन एबल टू क्रैक येट. तो जितना कमा सकते हैं अभी कमा लें आप लोग.
हाँ, दिन में हम बात कर रहे थे कि थैंकफुली AI का डर इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि अभी तक क्लाइंट्स कंफ्यूज्ड हैं. तो जब तक कंफ्यूज्ड क्लाइंट्स हैं तब तक AI से डर नहीं.
सियाने हैं, कंफ्यूज नहीं है. दे नो व्हाट दे कैन गेट.
हाँ,
सियाने.
What about you, Smita? Are you also as... I'm very optimistic about the future. I live in hope always.
I wish I could say the same. But I do know that AI is getting trained in emotions, and it's a matter of time.
Yeah.
So
I think we will all need to learn to coexist. AI will be a part, or technology, artificial intelligence, agentic technology is going to be a part of our life. Maybe the low-hanging fruits are being taken away right now, things which doesn't require much expression. And but like you said it, Tanya, that one needs to keep working on the craft. And
I have a point to add. Just because a lot of upcoming artists with AI, like we're so confused. Like I lost, anyway in Delhi, we do mostly corporate TVCs and digital ads. And my corporate work went down, especially internal videos that these companies make, So that has gone to AI. So I was like, fine, screw you. I don't also need it. But then I do need it. I looked at I was like, oh, sir, I need you. But the thing is now like I was reading up about it, and we got to study. We can't be like, oh no, AI is taking over. So now, like the idea is that a lot of artists are suggesting that, you can train your own voice. I can't speak in Malayalam. If I could, I would have been a millionaire, but I can't. But training your own voice, learning AI to be able to do a voice in another language instead of it going to another artist. And that's how we need to, as I said, don't think, oh, I've made it and this and that, because AI is coming. It is, but we need to, as you said, coexist, learn, study, and understand how to, work with the skill in our favor.
Lovely. So like, we're calling this session the art and business of voice. So keep working on the art and be alive to the reality of business as well. Charles, we have you here with us. I'm not going to let you go without singing something for us. Absolutely. In fact, that'll be a great note to end this session. I think it's been a
Hello.
lovely, short, but very, very interesting, fun session with all of you. I would love for Charles to
He's
sing
got
something.
He's got two good sidekicks here.
I got,
In
I got
fact, yeah, yes, please.
I'm not a trained singer. I started singing later. I'm more of a My Guitar Sings, is the name of my channel, YouTube channel, where we do live shows
What is the name? My Guitar.
My Guitar Sings.
My Guitar Sings.
sing.
Everyone, please go and subscribe to
Every
Charles's channel.
Every Sunday 9 p.m. there's a live show coming, and today it was not there because of your show, so I did it on Saturday.
How lovely.
I skipped it. I normally do on Sundays, but I shipped.
Well,
it to
let's have
Saturday.
a
Yeah.
trailer of that right now, live.
Okay. Okay, follow me. Okay. ए दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ जरा हट के जरा बच के ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान ए दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ जरा हट के जरा बच के ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान पप्पा पप्पा या हा 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 कहीं बिल्डिंग कहीं मोटर कहीं ड्रामे कहीं मिलता है यहाँ सब कुछ यहीं मिलता नहीं दिल कहीं बिल्डिंग कहीं मोटर कहीं मिलता है यहाँ सब कुछ मिलता है यह दिल एक जान का नहीं कहीं नाम निशान जरा हट के जरा बच के ये है बॉम्बे मेरी एवरीबॉडी ये दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ जरा हट के जरा बच के ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान वन मोर टाइम ए दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ जरा हट के जरा बच के ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान जस्ट वन मोर कहीं सट्टा कहीं पट्टा कहीं छोरी कहीं रेस कहीं डाका कहीं फाका कहीं ठोकर कहीं ठेस कहीं सट्टा कहीं पट्टा कहीं छोरी कहीं रेस कहीं डाका कहीं पाका कहीं ठोकर कहीं ठेस बेकारों के है कई नाम यहाँ जरा हट के जरा बच के ये है बॉम्बे एवरीबॉडी ए दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ जरा हट के जरा बच के ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान वन मोर ए दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ जरा हट के जरा बच के ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान ला 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 ला